What's up, YouTube? In today's video, we'll be taking a look at how to Find My iPhone and iCloud on Android. I originally made a version back in 2019 that's since then is now out of date, so I will be doing a new video to show you how to Find My iPhone and iCloud on your Android device. So you'll simply just go to iCloud.com. You would sign in, and if you have 2FA on, by the way, and you never logged in before, it will ask you for that. So hopefully your 2FA isn't set on the device that you lost. So for finding your iPhone, you would just go to the find, but since I have no Apple devices at the moment, I cannot show you through here how it would show up. But then you can still view your iCloud photos, whatever those may be. So you can take a look at your iCloud photos or the contents of your iCloud drive from your Android device as well. And then you can review your notes that are saved on your notepad. So even if you just got a new Android device and need to access the stuff that's accessible on here, you can do that as well. So, and you can also make changes to your account if you wanted to, and you can see how much iCloud storage you have available. And this is it for this video, because, well, it's that short, doesn't need to be long. So be sure to subscribe, check the links in the description, and leave comments with your thoughts. And I will return with a new video later on.